everyone, it's your girl Addie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite and healthiest soups, okay? Let me turn my phone off. This soup is perfect for anybody that's trying to lose weight or maintain their weight or simply just trying to eat healthy without having to eat non-Nigerian food. We Nigerians, we love our foods. And what is a salad? Please, what is a salad? No. But there are ways you can cut corners and some ingredients you can swap, and there's some ingredients you can swap so that you can still be fit and eat deliciously. Today we're making fish stew, better known as obek, ejatitu, and okra. And before we go any further, if you're not following me or subscribe to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do so. Thank you so much for giving this video a thumbs up already, and turn on your notification so you can get new videos weekly from me, your favorite girl, Addie. Alright, let's cook. So, I've been partying all weekend. My voice is gone. I sound like a horse. So please bear with me. Alright, I'm going to show you what we're going to need. Bell pepper, okay? Habanero pepper. 1 medium-sized red tomato. That's all I'm using for my base, right? And the most important ingredient, fresh fish. Now, I have been marinating this fish in garlic powder, salt, and a little bit of bouillon for about an hour now, so it's perfectly ready. If you don't want to go the marinated route, you can steam your fish and season it. It does the same thing, and you're left with a broth. I like this route because the flavor penetrates deeper into the fish, and it gives it such an awesome aroma and flavor. So I marinate. To season our fish, we're only going to keep it simple. We're going to use Maggi, we're going to use some garlic powder, and salt. That's it. I'm going to start with making my base. I'm going to get my favorite item in my kitchen, which is my Ninja. I freaking love my Ninja. I'm going to get my Ninja, and we can start making our base. So we can have room to put in more. Alrighty, so I'm going to put about 5 habanero peppers in here because I like mine spicy. As usual, you can put more, you can put less. It's all dependent on your personal taste. So let me see if it's done. Now I'm going to blend it a little bit more because I really want this to be really smooth. How you guys doing? You liking my little outfit? You know, I gotta get cute to come cook for y'all. Alright, our pepper is finished blending, and be careful when you're removing the lid, especially for my Ninja, because I always get splattered. So this is kind of like the consistency we're looking for. It's very smooth. So this is what your sauce should look like, your pepper base should look like after you have finished blending. And now I'm going to reduce this until the water is all cooked out, and I'll show you what we're going to do next. So using low heat, I'm just going to boil my pepper. So next I'm going to slice my okra while my pepper is reducing, okay? And you can also definitely use your hands to do this part. It is not compulsory that you blend it. I think blended okra is an abomination. So you can definitely use a food processor and chop this down. The water is reducing nicely, by the way. And it smells so good in here. It is super quick. Just that quick. We're done. I'm going to show you what this looks like, alright? And it looks is like this. And look at that, it's reducing really, really well. Okay? I don't want this to really dry all the way out because the purpose of this sauce is not to stew it, it's a soup, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this another 5 minutes to cook down, and then I'm going to start to season. Alright, so in order for our okra to get degree, right? We want our okra to have like PhD. We want it to have like MD, you know, PhD, MD. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to put periwinkle, some locust beans, and shrimp. I'm gonna lower the heat on this one. It's almost ready for me. Voila. Close this up. Let's start with our soup. I'm gonna start with oil, olive oil. So I'm not gonna use too much. Like I said, I'm not trying to fry this soup. I only want the oil to cook it a little bit. Here. Perfect. I'm gonna cover it and let the oil cook in the stew. Salt to taste. So we're going to put about 1 tablespoon of roasted garlic in here. 1 teaspoon of white pepper. We're gonna start with 1 bouillon cube. Now this is an optional step, right? You can, if you want to, put some crayfish on top. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I absolutely love crayfish. Give us a good mix. If it starts to splat too much, honestly, I put some water. We want the soup to have a little bit of, you know, movement. We don't want it to be super condensed and super thick. We want it to be a little thin. Okay, we're just about ready to start putting in our fish. And this is the one and only chance you're going to get to move your fish around, because once it starts cooking, the fish will get softer and you will not be able to move it so much because it's going to break, and we don't want our fish to break. So from here, every time you want to mix your soup, you're going to have to lift the whole thing and shake it, right? So you just take it and turn it right on. Yes. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to finish cooking my soup over here. I'm going to start my okra because we need to use our time efficiently. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of water here until this boils. Boil it. I'm going to go ahead and put in my locust beans. Okay. And let's release the flavor. And that is the best way to release the flavor, is boiling, frying, roasting or sauteing the iru. Then it gives off this beautiful aroma. Oh my god. Next I'm going to put in my periwinkle. And because I'm a Yoruba girl and I like it hot, I'm going to slice in some habanero peppers. 3 is enough for me. I like to slice this in because if you're somebody that doesn't like spicy food and you're eating my food, you can take out the pepper, right? I'm gonna put that in there. And mix. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, so salt to taste. And I'm going to put 1 crayfish Maggi in here. Now I can pour in my okra. A whisk. And just mix it together. Like so. It's a little bit too thick. A little bit of water. That's what I'm talking about. One more time with this soup, I'm going to mix. We don't want to break the fish, so we can no longer put a spoon in here and mix it, okay? So we're gonna mix. Make sure everything is moving. Put it back. That's good. That's good okra. I'm taking my shrimp. This is optional, by the way. You don't have to put all this in your okra, but this is how I make my okra. I'm trying to make it as authentic as I can. How I exactly make it. So, okra hack 101. Try to only put simple ingredients, natural ingredients in there, or you're not gonna get the slime and the draw that you're looking for. So I don't put onion powder, roasted garlic powder, any complex seasoning I don't put in there because it just cuts off the okra and it just becomes black. Like, it's not even drawing again. No, that's not what we want. We want our okra to have a good draw like this. So, salt, pepper, Maggi, that's it, that is all. That's all you should be putting in here. I'm going to just set it aside and let it cool. And I'm going to bring my fish back up here. Look at Ojo Bay. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at Ojo Bay. As in, out of your bed. You're bad, mother. Shut your mouth. So it is definitely done now, so I can turn off the heat and just let it cool, let it relax, let it capture, let it gather its thoughts, let it gather itself, and then we can start plating and enjoying our meal. Just be very careful not to break the fish. And scoop the sauce over, right? Just over. And here we are done. And I don't have my swallow yet, but I am so ready to dig into the soup the way it is looking at me, and I'm looking at it, and we're looking at each other. So I'm going to take my soup here, take some okra and some... My Lord, my God. Something must kill again. And that's in his food. Thank you guys so much for giving me just a little bit of your time to make this tutorial for you. I hope you enjoy making this meal. It is delicious and it's healthy. We didn't use a lot of oil, and everything that we use is light meat and vegetables. That's it. This meal is perfect in small quantity for a girl like me that's trying to get snatched for her birthday. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for giving it a thumbs up. Turn on your notification and follow me on social media for up-to-date live tutorial and shenanigans. Okay? I'll see you guys next week. Bye. I'm gonna get some more so good. I'll see you next week.